Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how to share pictures on Dropbox step by step. Whether you're sending vacation photos to friends or work files to teammates, Dropbox makes it quick and simple to share what matters. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device and sign in with your account details. If you don't have the app yet, you can find it in your App Store and install it easily. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main home screen showing your folders and recent uploads. Next, go to the Photos tab or navigate to the specific folder that contains the pictures you want to share. Dropbox automatically organizes your uploads, so if your images are scattered in different folders, take a quick moment to locate the right one before moving forward. Now, to select your pictures, tap the Select button if you see it at the top of your screen. On some devices, you can also long press on a single photo until selection options appear. After that, choose every picture you'd like to share by tapping on them. Selected photos will usually show a small checkmark or highlight to confirm they're chosen. Once your pictures are selected, look for the share icon. It usually looks like a curved arrow or a box with an upward arrow. Tap it to begin creating your share link. Dropbox will automatically generate a link that lets anyone view or download the images, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. When the link is ready, you can copy it and paste it anywhere, maybe in a text message, an email, or a chat app. You can also choose to send it directly through the sharing menu on your phone. It's that easy, and that's it. You've just learned how to share pictures on Dropbox in a few simple steps. Now you can easily send photos to anyone, anytime, right from your mobile device. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to explore more Dropbox tips and make the most out of your cloud storage experience.